Why did we open a coin laundry in Japan? People often ask me that question. The answer actually goes back more than 30 years when I was studying abroad in England. Back then, I used a local laundromat almost every week, but it wasn't what I expected. There was always a friendly lady working there. She moved the laundry from the washing machines into the dryers, folded everything neatly, and kept it safely on a shelf. All I had to do was pick it up later. I remember thinking, this is amazing. At that time, coin laundries in Japan were very different. Most people thought they were old, dirty places used mainly by single men. Families rarely used them. So I quietly told myself, one day, I'd love to open a laundromat like the one I saw in England. But reality was different. Opening a laundromat required a huge investment. So my dream stayed just that, a dream. Years passed. Then one day, my husband's business went through a difficult period. We started talking about finding another source of income. Coin laundries had just started becoming popular as a franchise business in Japan. I convinced my husband to attend an information session with me. We thought we were just going to listen. Instead, everything moved surprisingly fast. Before we knew it, we were opening our own laundromat. One of the hardest parts wasn't buying the machines. It was finding the right location. A coin laundry depends heavily on where it is located. Is there enough parking? Do many families live nearby? Can drivers easily see the building from the road? Is there another laundromat close by? We spent a long time looking for the right place. There were many properties that seemed perfect at first, but didn't work out. Eventually, we found the location where our business is today. Finally, opening day arrived. We were excited. We cleaned everything. We checked every machine. We waited for customers, but almost nobody came. The next day was the same, and the day after that. It was much more difficult than we expected. The biggest problem wasn't our machines. It was Japanese culture. People simply weren't used to using coin laundries. Most families still believed washing should always be done at home. So we asked ourselves, what can we offer that people can't easily do at home? The answer was obvious. Futons. Traditional Japanese futons are large and heavy. Most home washing machines aren't big enough to wash them properly. Professional coin laundry machines are much larger. So we started telling people, you can wash your futons here. Little by little, customers started coming. One customer recommended us to another. Word spread through the neighborhood. Our business slowly began to grow. Over the years, Japan's coin laundry industry changed dramatically. Today's laundromats are bright, clean, and comfortable. Many are open 24 hours. Some even have cafes or free Wi-Fi. More families now use them regularly. People wash blankets, comforters, pet bedding, sports uniforms, and large loads of laundry. Busy parents also appreciate finishing several loads in a fraction of the time it would take at home. People's lifestyles have changed, and coin laundries changed with them. Our business also changed. One service became especially important: laundry service. In England, I had watched someone carefully move, dry, and fold customers' clothes. Years later, I realized I was doing exactly the same thing for my own customers. Sometimes life comes full circle. What impressed me as a young student became part of my everyday work. Today, our shop is often very busy. Some customers come every week. Others bring futons only a few times a year. Some are elderly people who can no longer carry heavy laundry by themselves. Others are busy parents with young children. Every customer has a different story, and every day reminds me why we started this business. Looking back, I'm very grateful that I walked into that little laundromat in England all those years ago. At the time, I never imagined it would change my future. But sometimes, one small experience can shape the rest of your life. Thank you for watching. If you're ever visiting Japan, I hope you'll notice how much Japanese coin laundries have changed over the years. And perhaps you'll understand why this business means so much to us.